Fasching, or carnival season in Germany, is the time of the year to indulge in Berliners and other sweets. This year was no exceptions. I made some Lavender Cronuts. Mix flour type 405 and 550, 140 grams each. Then the other dry ingredients, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 pack of dry yeast. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 170 ml of lukewarm milk. Knead the dough with an electric mixer for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's smooth. Transfer it onto a dusted working surface. Knead the dough roughly with our hands for another 2 to 3 minutes before putting it back into the same bowl. Cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest in the room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours until it's double in size. Meanwhile, we can work on the butter layer for our cornut. Fold a piece of baking paper to a 20 cm large square. Roll 150 grams of cold butter to the same size and put it into the fridge to cool. Once the dough is double or even triple in size, we can knead it again with our hands to remove any air pockets. Then cover it again with a lid or plastic foil. This time we're going to chill it in the fridge for about an hour. Finally, we can roll our dough on a dusted working surface to about 40 cm diameter large pie. Place our chilled butter carefully in the middle and close the dough sheet like a package. Press the folded edges gently to close them. Now it's all about rolling, folding, and chilling, and repeat this process 3 times in total. Here's how we're going to do it. Roll our butter pocket to 40 times 20 cm large rectangular. Fold the shorter edge to 2/3 of the longer side. Then fold the opposite over. Turn it to 90 degrees and roll it again to 40 times 20 cm rectangular. Repeat this process for 3 times. Each time dust the dough with a bit of flour to prevent it from sticking. Cover it with a plastic foil and chill it in the fridge for about an hour. After that, take the dough out and repeat this rolling and folding process 3 more times before leaving it in the fridge to chill for another hour. Then repeat this process 1 more time. After all the work we have done, roll the chilled dough to 30 times 20 cm large rectangular. Use a donut or cookie cutter to get 4 cornuts. Each should be 9 cm diameter large with 3 cm diameter small circle in the middle. Let them rest under a kitchen towel at a warm place at least for an hour until they are double in size. Deep fry them on both sides in 190 degrees Celsius hot oil for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are golden brown. We can fill these cornuts with all kinds of cream fillings and sugar glazing. We're going to use the lavender cream this time. Beat 150 ml of cream with 2 tablespoons of lavender honey with an electric mixer to a soft peak. Use the pipe to fill in the lavender cream from the top of each corner, about 2 tablespoons each. For the lavender glazing, mix 100 grams of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of lavender syrup and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Cover the top of each cornut with a thick layer of glazing and decorate them with some edible lavender blossoms. Happy fashing, everyone! Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。